Greetings to all my students, entrepreneurs, business owners, and nonprofit managers. This is W.C. Ballard here with what many of you have been asking for, my top 14 international grants for small businesses, startups, nonprofits. We've got a hodgepodge of grants here from across the globe. Yes, from across the globe. And with no further ado, let's get started. Number one, Google.org. The eligible countries, there's global. It's over 100 countries, including North America, Europe, and the like. And the grants range from $250,000 to $2,500,000. And as you can see, the focus areas are for artificial intelligence programs, climate, economic opportunities, and education. Who qualifies for this group? Nonprofits, social enterprises, and impact startups. Let's keep going. Number two, the Visa Foundation. Your eligible countries, global again, including United States, Africa, Asia, and the like. Your typical grant range is $50,000 to $500,000. And their focus areas: financial inclusion, small business growth, woman entrepreneurship. And who qualifies? Nonprofits, small businesses via partners and intermediaries. And as you can see, I'm going to give you the website for each one, who the eligible countries are, the grant ranges, and the focus areas, and who qualifies. And then you have to go online and do the rest. Number three, the Shell Foundation. Eligible countries: Africa, Asia, and emerging markets. So you may have an emerging market, so you may have to go in there and see if you're in a country or a location that they will fund. Typical grants: $100,000 to $1 million. What are the focus areas? Clean energy, transportation, and job creation. And who qualifies? Social enterprises and impact-driven businesses. Number four, Amazon Web Services Imagine Grant. Your eligible countries: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. What your grant range is anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000. And they focus on cloud technology, machine learning, AI, and digital innovation. Who qualifies? Registered nonprofits or equivalents. Let's keep going. Number five, the International Foundation. And their focus areas is agriculture, education, health, and the environment. What are your ranges? Anywhere from $5,000 to $100,000. And you have to be a registered nonprofit. You have to have project outcomes and strategic planning systems, which most of them do look for that, but not all of them. So it's up to you to go to each of these, say, oh, that might be one, and do your own research. Now, I'm giving you all the little summaries of each one. Now, it's up to you guys to go do your research. The geographical coverage: Africa, Asia, and Latin America, and typically supports scalable, sustainable development programs, businesses, or nonprofits. Number six, the Coca-Cola Foundation. Typical grant range: $25,000 to $1 million. And your small community grants: $25,000 to $100,000. And your large international grants range from $250,000 to $1 million. Eligible countries is global. It's across the globe. And they're really interested in strong presence in developing regions or countries, but that doesn't mean you could be excluded. So don't give up on these. If I were you and I were a small business or a nonprofit and any of these focus areas were my focus areas, I'd apply for them all. So water sustainability is one of the focus areas, women empowerment and community development. Who qualifies? Nonprofits and non-government entities. Number seven, your IBM Sustainability Accelerator. Eligible countries: global, guys, again, across the board. Focus areas: climate change, clean energy, sustainable agriculture. Who qualifies? Nonprofits, impact businesses, or specialized startups. Number 8, Microsoft Philanthropies. The eligible countries are global, across the board, across the world, across the water. $5,000 to $500,000 is what they're funding. Their focus areas are digital skills, artificial intelligence and cloud type of programs, and workforce development. Who qualifies? Registered nonprofits or the equivalent. Number 9, Cisco Foundation. Eligible countries, global, 25,000 to 300,000. The focus areas, crisis response, education, economic empowerment, climate resilience, and who qualifies? Nonprofits, early stage impact organizations, and some for-profit business climate startups. Number 10 is the Nike Community Impact Fund. Your eligible countries are the United States and selected global regions, so you have to go on and see what specific regions they cover. And the grants are from $10,000 to $75,000. And your focus areas are youth development, sports, of course, and community engagement. And who qualifies? Any localized nonprofits. And what that means is nonprofit organizations that aren't big national ones that are small, community oriented, or your local nonprofits. And number 11 is the Ford Foundation. Their focus area is poverty reduction, human rights, social justice, gender equality, and youth empowerment. And the eligibility requirements are you have to be a registered nonprofit. Your project has to align with social justice and equity. And you have to have a strong governance and community-driven program. And it's global, including Africa. And the reason why they say including Africa, a lot of times people think global doesn't include Africa. But when I say global, that means your major continents, including Africa, are included. So I didn't say that earlier. That's important for you to know. And your typical grant size, they don't have a typical amount, but they say it's medium to large scale funding. Number 12 is the Open Society Foundations. Focus areas: democracy, education, governance, human rights, and public health. And the average amount is $25,000 to $200,000. And you have to be a non-government entity with a clear social impact mission. And you have to have demonstrated community involvement, transparent financial reporting, and you have to align with democratic government's goals. And your geographic coverage: Africa, Europe, Asia, and Latin America. Number 13, the Global Innovative Fund. Their focus is social innovation, poverty reduction. The average amount is $50,000 to $15 million. And they accept small pilot programs that start at a lower amount of money. And the eligible are any non-government organizations, any startups, or any social enterprise or organizations. And last but not least is number 14, the Global Green Grants Fund, which the focus is climate justice, conservation, and indigenous rights. The average is $500 to $5,000. You have to be a grassroots, community-oriented, non-government organization, and they mainly focus on countries that are in what they call the Global South regions, which typically include Africa, Latin America, Caribbean, and you can continue to read on. Now, I want to say this at this point, is that I've given you 1 through 14. This is my list, and this is the one that I've researched. And I believe that there's a lot that any entrepreneurs or businesses, small businesses, and nonprofits can really dig their feet into and really find something that might change the way they do business if you get a grant that's large enough. So I made these for you. I'm going to keep going now because I have a few little tips that I want to go over with you. So if you want to fast track, You see some of these that you like, you see some of these you may qualify for, but you don't know how to do a business grant, or you don't know how to do a business plan, or a nonprofit, you may not be able to do a proposal. Take my classes. I've got them on wcballard.podia.com. I've got samples, I've got fill-ins, I've got templates that you can use so you don't have to recreate the wheel, and I do it all step by step, and you get a certificate at the end so that you'll have a portfolio proving that you are now a grant writer. And another thing I want to add to this, guys, is that nothing comes easy. And I'm doing all of this for you because it helps me. When I can help people start and get ready, and I love to hear the feedback, how the information that I provided saved somebody's life, that makes me feel good inside. So I'm not going to keep you. These are my 12 training sessions. Go on there, look around at them. Some of the templates are actually free. I hope you've learned a lot from what I've showed you, and be sure to subscribe and to share this with this. I want you to pay it forward. If you think that this is important information, share it with some of your friends, your families, your co-workers, your fellow grant writers. And this is W.C. Ballard. Check it out.